Hello and welcome back to Unboxing Tech. In my last video, I unboxed a brand new Samsung Galaxy Note 9. We discussed all the little goodies Samsung included with the phone, but today we talk about the Note 9 itself. Officially announced a few days ago on August 9, the big release date for Samsung's newest flagship device is scheduled for August 24th, 2018. Today we will discuss the Note 9's upgrades and other features in showcases. Let's start with some of more physical details. The Note 9 is 6.4-inch minimum bezel display. Here it is compared to the Galaxy S8 Plus 6.2-inch display. The front camera has 8 megapixels and the dual rear cameras have 12 megapixels. Looking closer at our camera options, we have Panorama, Pro Mode, Live Focus that blurs the background, the regular camera, and super slow motion that captures slow motion video, AR emojis, and hyperlapse. You can also swipe up or down on the screen to switch from rear to front camera in a flash. And the front camera has a selfie focus mode, regular selfie mode, AR emojis, and a wide selfie for a group photo. If you look closely, there's this shiny mark on the right that lets you pre-filter your photo. Good of Samsung to be inclusive. There's also an eyeball icon on the left that sends you to Bixby Vision, but I'm not connected to the internet right now, so I can't use it. But essentially, Bixby will look at what's being shown on the camera lens and identify it or give you translation for different languages. The camera feature will also let you know if your camera lens is dirty or if someone blinked when the shutter went off. The system also automatically optimizes your photo by intelligently picking out the best filter and lightening to make your snaps insta-ready in a second. Underneath the camera is the fingerprint sensor, right in the middle of the phone. But you don't have to necessarily use it as the Note 9 comes with a face scanner or iris scanner as well. Now, one of the bigger improvements Samsung added to the Note 9 is the Bluetooth capability to their S Pen. This urine yellow S Pen with the blue phone. Yeah, I understand the cost of efficiency, but why couldn't Samsung just make the whole thing this gold metal instead of the ugly yellow plastic? Or just give me a blue pen for my blue phone? Just my opinions. Well, anyway, with this upgrade, the S Pen works more like a remote control for the phone. If you watched the Note 9 unveiling, you saw the way this pen was able to control presentation slides, take pictures, and control your music with the just press of button. You can go into S Pen settings and customize how each app behaves. You can even unlock your phone with your S Pen with just a click. Now let's talk about the new and improved battery. With impressive 4000 mAh battery, Samsung claims their Note 9 is made to last all day. Now I'm sure that statement will change with whatever the individual Note 9 user is doing, but even still, that is a huge number. So that's the Note 9 in a nutshell. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more technique content. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time when I introduce some really cool cases for my new Note 9.